In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a glitch effect in DaVinci Resolve. To get started, open your project and find the clip you want to apply the glitch effect to. Make sure that clip is already placed on your timeline because that's where you'll be adding the effect. This is a quick and easy way to give your footage a more stylized, digital or distorted look, and it works well for transitions, dramatic edits, or creative visual moments. Once you've selected the clip you want to work with, look over to the left side of the interface for the toolbox. If you don't see it, don't worry, just go to the top left and click the Effects button to make that panel appear. This is where DaVinci Resolve keeps a variety of visual effects, transitions, and tools you can apply to your clips. After the toolbox is open, click on Effects. From there, use the search bar and type in Glitch. This will help you quickly locate the effect without having to scroll through everything manually. You should see an option called Digital Glitch. This is the effect you'll be using. Now simply click and drag the digital glitch effect directly onto the clip in your timeline. As soon as you drop it onto the clip, the effect will be applied. That means your footage should immediately start showing that glitch-style distortion. If you play back the clip, you'll be able to preview how it looks in motion. If you want to customize the effect, you can do that as well. Go to the top right and open the inspector. The inspector gives you control over the settings for the effect you just added, so you can fine-tune the look depending on how subtle or intense you want the glitch to be. This is useful if the default effect feels too strong or if you want it to better match the style of your video. And that's really all there is to it. Select your clip, open the effects panel if needed, search for glitch, drag the digital glitch effect onto your clip, and then adjust it in the inspector if you want more control. It's a very simple effect to apply, but it can add a lot of visual energy to your edit when used in the right place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.